Hello, welcome to Ciarmoli Queda Athens. Sono insieme questi. And also this is very interesting. Yes, it's very nice because yes, of course.
Perfect.
Fantastic. Can you bring your block notice? Bellissimi questi materiali, no? Per come sono insieme.
It's all divided in layers of green and different qualities of plants. So, and it will climb up actually. So you see these small hills with different varieties of green actually. And she selected these specific qualities. Of course, it was a discussion with us, and to give this effect of something slightly tropical, but also that can be implemented in other kind of environments. It's inspired by Roberto Bulemax. So we created this kind of shapes that are kind of offsets, and then each one corresponded to a different kind of plant, let's say.
This is an installation of our brand Slalom, which is specializing in acoustics. And the whole concept and idea is based in three things: acoustics, ethics, and aesthetics.
This is amazing. This is the natural one that was also in Milano.
Yes,
right?
yes.
At the installation made here in Salone del Mar.
It is a brand that they are focusing on acoustics, which is a very important factor for all spaces where a lot of people are inside, not only workspaces. On ethics, because they are using materials that they are eco-friendly and they are recyclable or made from out of material that has been already recycled. And aesthetics, of course, is something very important for them because you know that they're working also with Patricia Urquiola, and some of the installations have her own choices and selections. Yes.
Also, this one is beautiful. It's an amazing vibe.
Yes, and this is showing how much easy is for everybody to make custom products with the products from Slalom, because everything can be customized according to the design that the architect would like to see and have. So you want to match colors, you want to match shapes, you have different material, different finishes, different tones.
It's a blank canvas and the designer can play
Exactly,
with it.
exactly.
And this is also amazing.
Well, this is a really innovative product from Arper, which is a chair made 100% out of paper, a paper which is recycled, and it creates the paper shell. All this inside is out of sheets of paper. And the whole material then can return to earth, because the whole idea is that you can fully recycle each and every part of this product. So I believe that this is maybe the most appropriate product for an installation which has to do with material innovation and design.
Amazing. And we thank you, Asset, because for us, having you here is an amazing support.
Thank you very much.
You made us stronger.
Thank you very much for this cooperation. It was our pleasure as well. Okay, thank you.
Sì, che è così raw.
Sì, di tenere la struttura per far capire
come
l'applicazione dei materiali. E anche questo gioco di bianco e legno. È abbastanza nordico. Questo è venuto molto bene, queste panche lunghissime che si spostano perpendicolarmente, saranno molto belle. E poi ne avremo anche due su quella parte. Ma la cosa interessante è che vedere tutti questi vuoti e pieni. casta arabescato e ha questa forma molto morbida. In italiano è fiorito, perché praticamente si muove in questo senso per la lastra. E questo sarà la reception 2.0. Praticamente c'era un'esigenza di dover esporre dei pezzi di mobili da ufficio e tutto questo sarà praticamente una grande lounge.
It's reed branches on panel for outdoor and indoor, for walls or inside ceiling, and also outdoor. A very durable material.
And it depends from the creativity of the architect. They can do whatever they want.
Many, yes.
And thank you for Caneplexus for supporting us with this project. And also
Thank you
PC
too.
is an amazing
It's a kind of wall paper, water resistant and also fireproof for indoor or waterproof outdoor ceilings.
It's very beautiful. Thank you, Youla.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, this is Simon Keane-Cowell from Architonic at the Architect Show in Athens. And I don't know if you know Architonic, it is the world's leading online library for products and materials. And that's why I'm particularly excited to be here at this materials as architecture installation by Ciarmoli Queda and beautifully delivered by Enea 9. And this is all about curating materials and transforming them into architectural space. So the guys have cleverly taken materials in panel form and created this fascinating, immersive labyrinth. It really is one of the highlights of the show here. It's very architonic, so if you're in town, come along and don't miss this.